In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 1-inch margins on Google Docs. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Docs. Let's open a document from here. This is a document that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to change the margin size of this document. Using 1-inch margins in Google Docs offers several valuable benefits. First, it ensures your document complies with standard formatting guidelines, which is especially important for academic papers and professional submissions that follow styles like MLA, APA, or Chicago. This standardization helps your work look polished and credible. You can do this in two ways. If your docs doesn't show a ruler on top of the document, then you have to enable it. In the title bar, click on View. In the drop-down menu, turn on the Show Ruler option. A ruler should appear on your display. Bring your cursor to the left side of the blue indent. When the cursor becomes a two-sided arrow, click, and then drag to the side you want. It works the same for the other side also. Now, if you need to change the margin for the first paragraph only, this time, drag the blue indent on the ruler. This only changes the margin of the first paragraph. There's another way to do this. In the title bar, click on File. In the drop-down menu, click on Page Setup. Here you see the margins are set to 0.6 inches. Change the margin size to 1 inch for all of the sides. If you want to make this your default page setup, click on Set as Default. After you are done, click on OK. Here you can see that the margin is set to 1 inch. Following these steps, you can change your margins very easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.